December 12th, 2014. Guys, you're looking at an image from behind the sun. This is this morning, it's 7:06. This is stereo head A. We've had a large coronal mass ejection. Now let's go back to the Earth-facing side with the SDO cameras. This filament released, and I'm going to show you what triggered that reaction in just a moment. But take a look at that. As the filament released, it created a secondary explosion across the surface of the sun called a Hyder flare. It occurred in the bottom right, also in these images. These are SDO. Now notice in the top left corner of the sun, that's where a lot of activity is being generated. And we've had an impact on the sun, one that I guess they did not see coming. But we're, again, different satellite, but we're remaining Earth-facing. This is the SDO Corona 2 lens, CRO2. Check this out now. We get one frame from today. Notice it's a timestamp at the bottom. We had a coronal mass ejection to the right on the 9th, 10th, another one on the 11th, and then the 12th. We skipped a bunch of frames there. You see that, guys? Notice the little dot coming in the top left. Notice when I stop this again. We've had an unknown comet, quite large, come in and impact the sun. Again, don't know if they knew about it as far as NASA or the other agencies that are watching it, or this one just snuck up on them. But that was the last frame in the SOHO lens. Now let's go back to LASCO C3, again, Earth facing. Last frame, 12/5/42 on this camera. That's when the explosion occurred. Watch coming in from the top. Out of nowhere, I'll point this out. And wasn't registered on any of the JPLs. This comet comes in and dives into the sun and causes this. Again, I'll pull this as a close-up. Check it out. Right there. Now, we're trying to determine how big this particular comet was. The white circle is the size of the sun, not the large blue occulter disk that the satellite arm uses to block the glare from the sun. If you think about that circle being the sun, the size of that comet coming in, it would take 109 Earths to go across that white dot if you put it in scale with the sun. Think about the size of that comet. They always classify them as 3.5 to 5 kilometers wide. We know that's not true. This was not the largest comet we've seen come in, but this is one of the larger sun divers, and it created quite an explosion. This is an earthquake watch. That coronal mass ejection will hit our magnetopause hard. The resulting Hyder flare is going to feed energy behind it. So heads up, be safe.